So on the bright side, that means the batteries are all pretty much wearing down at the same rate.
Yeah, because they were all in that truck, and I think I bought them all brand new. Well, I got them different from different stuff that was probably used.
You got another one to test there?
2 more.
2 more?
Oops. 1.3.
Good.
So they're still good.
Yep.
Kind of.
But they're just not great, that's all. Because they're supposed to be 1.5.
Oh, that's how they start out?
Yep.
I was going to say, they probably start out as 1.5.
They start out at a full 1.5.
And then after a while, they start to wear out. I'm going to move this over so we can fit some more batteries. But we still know.
Yep.
Oops.
So we're going to do this one more time, and then we're going to use the last 2 digits. And we'll be able to tell you which ones are the best batteries out of your pile. So this is just to make sure that they're
1.3.
good. What are you gonna write? You're gonna have to write something underneath one. So.
But here,
Yep.
probably so we'll still know.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what. Write one right in the center here.
Why? So.
Because we're gonna do the second 2 digits on the batteries.
So 1.3 right there.
Yeah. Because you know that those are all 1.3.
But since
And then
there's the last one,
erase this.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Because we're gonna write right underneath that. So we're gonna retest that first battery.
This one.
Yep.
Wait, why don't we retest them?
Because we're gonna check the last 2 digits.
Just to make sure.
Well, we're gonna see which one is the best battery.
Oops. 9, 5, 6.
Yep, 9.6.
9, 6.
So just write 9.6 right there underneath that.
9, 6.
Now test your next battery.
I'll put that right there so we know.
Oh no, just put it up top where it's straight above the.
Oh, so
Yeah, you know where they are. And now just test the second one.
Okay. To see which one's the best
Yep. Because we're going to see if they all come up
is the same number.
1.396, or if they come up something different. Ah, look at that.
7, 6.
7.6.
Oops.
So which one of those 2 batteries is better?
This one.
Yep.
Wait, 7, 6.
7.6.
7, 6. And this one is this one.
Yep.
This one is that one. Because we changed them around so we'd have more room. Makes sense. Okay. Oops.
Seven five.
Yeah.
Yikes. What's up, Ted?
He was looking at the ground.
Yeah, I hear him woof woofing.
I know, me too.
He's kind
It's
of a meathead.
I know. Well, Toby's more of a meathead.
Yeah, but Ted's not saying anything. Toby's not saying anything right now. Toby's just sitting there on the couch, right,
Yeah,
Tobes?
I know. Tobes is a little less than Ted.
Yeah.
Ted's barking at the ground. He's just looking at the ground right now.
So how's your next battery?
Oops. 9.7.
Nice.
It's more than the first one.
Mm-hmm.
So for this one, it's better than I would expect that to be.
Mm-hmm. Well, see, and that's all batteries wear at a different rate, and that way, if you
Yeah, I know. But
if you can match
that's-
batteries up,
That's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
That was like, I thought the first one would be better than all of the other ones. 9.8.
wow.
Wow. 9. So this is the highest.
Yep.
This is the next one, and this is the next one.
Good.
And then, wow.
So what's the lowest battery?
Oops.
What's your lowest voltage battery?
7.5.
Yep. So you got your two bad ones are the 7.5 and 7.6.
But all the other ones are good.
Yep. But some of them are better. So which ones are your two best?
Two best or
Yeah. Which ones are your two best batteries? You don't know because you just grabbed them out of the pile. Now you got to test them all over again.
well, I don't have to test these though. They're junk.
Nope. You know that though, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
I'm gonna go through these.
That's science, man.
That's cool.
It is.